If you've ever tapped a YouTube link only to find yourself whisked away into the YouTube app instead of the trusty Chrome browser, today's tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open YouTube in Google Chrome, not in the app. Whether you're trying to access desktop features like ad blockers, multitasking, or you want that full browser experience, by the end of this guide you'll know just what to do every single time. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you actually open your Google Chrome browser. I know this might sound super basic, but it's worth double-checking. Sometimes our devices default to other browsers like Safari, Edge, or a built-in app. So look for that familiar colorful circle icon, tap or click it, and you'll land on your main Chrome homepage or your most recent tab. Now don't rush here, take a second to look at the top of your browser window. You'll see the address bar. That's where websites live, like the digital mailbox for anything you want to visit. Click or tap right in the URL bar. If there's already some text or a web address in there, just highlight it so it disappears. You can do this usually by clicking once to select or doing a quick select all, depending on your device. This little step is key because we want a nice, clean slate so Chrome knows exactly where you want to go. Next, with the address bar ready, type in YouTube.com. Don't worry about adding www or HTTPS. Chrome is smart enough to know what you mean. Once you've typed it, hit enter on your keyboard or go on your touch device. That's it. Chrome will now open YouTube inside the browser, giving you the full desktop version if you're on a computer or the mobile browser site if you're on your phone. This means you're not in the app, so you can take advantage of browser extensions, sign in with different accounts more easily, or just have that browsing flexibility. Here's a gentle tip. If you use YouTube often and you don't want to keep typing it every time, there's a shortcut you can use. If you have a YouTube bookmark saved in your bookmark bar, that little horizontal strip under the Chrome address bar, just click or tap that bookmark. One click and Chrome instantly takes you straight to YouTube, no extra typing needed. If you don't have a bookmark set up yet, I definitely recommend adding one. Just hit the star icon in the address bar while you're on YouTube, and you'll be able to save it for quick access in the future. If you ever accidentally end up in the app, no worries, just close it, go back to Chrome and repeat these steps. The browser version is especially helpful if you're working on a desktop and want to open links in a new tab. Use browser add-ons, or if the app is acting up for any reason. I personally prefer it for researching, writing comments, or managing playlists with multiple tabs. And that's the whole process. It's so simple once you know these little tricks, and it really puts you in control of your browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you still have any questions about Chrome, bookmarks, or YouTube, just drop your comments below. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next handy tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.